We are Team SightEd. Our app transforms user images into interactive educational content using AI. This is our final presentation for CS6Y1 Web Systems. Our team members are Akhil, Niharika, Nandini, and Aditya. So here we go with our presentation.
For our proposal for our project, we use SightEd, an educational application that uses Google Vision API and Google Gemini API to analyze images and generate educational content. We chose to implement our application using the Express React Node stack. This allowed us to leverage JavaScript, TypeScript across our entire application, simplifying development and maintenance. We deployed our backend to Google Cloud Run rather than Google App Engine. Cloud Run offered better scalability, more flexible resource allocation, and better support for containerized applications, which was ideal for our image processing workloads. We selected Firebase Firestore for our database needs. Firestore's real time capabilities, flexible document based structures, and seamless integration with other Google Cloud Run services made it perfect for storing our image analysis and user data. We integrated Google Vision API to analyze uploaded images. The API provided us with label detection to identify objects and concepts, and landmark recognition to identify famous locations. These results from the foundation of our educational content generation. For the data storage and display, our application stores the images analysis, AI generated description, scientific facts, and quiz questions in Firestore. Users can review their saved analysis and access educational content generated from their images.
So next, here is our GitHub repository with our commit history. As you can see, we have had regular commits throughout the development process. We even use GitHub issues to track our tasks and bugs. As you can see, this is how we progress through different milestones and address challenges along the way. So now let's demonstrate SightEd in action. First, let's sign in. If you don't have an account, you should be able to create an account. On the home page, we can upload an image for analysis. Let's try uploading this picture using Google Photos import option, where we will be able to sign in with our Google. So make sure you sign in with your Horizon email so that you will be able to access to the Google Photos that are present on your Horizon mail. So then we select pictures from the albums present on your Google Photos. We are going to click any of the image present. Then we're going to analyze the image. So as you can see, it gives a scenic description of the image that we have provided with three of the scientific facts related to that image. We also have an integration of a quick quiz. So let's take a quiz about that image. So I'm just doing it randomly. Now this should be able to give the score for our results. So it gives you the correct option and the wrong option, and also an explanation related to that particular question's quiz. We can even retry the quiz. And later we should be able to go back to the results. So we can save this result and later we can view it in our collection. So these are the previous images that I've tried to analyze. So you should also be able to contact us if you have any queries. So let's even try doing that. So the message will be submitted to us. So as you can see, the message has been sent successfully and we'll be getting back to you soon. So That's it. If you want to sign out, you can sign out and you can log in again with the account that you have created.
Let's move forward with Google Cloud Console. Here's our Google Cloud Run dashboard showing the deployment of our backend service. You can see the resource utilization, request metrics, and deployment history. Our application is configured to scale automatically based on demand. For the database usage, let's look at our Firestore database. Here we have a collection for images, users, and contact submissions. So for the summary, we would like to give you guys information about challenges and solutions. We faced several challenges during development. Our significant challenge was to handle the Google Photos API integration, which required complex OAuth flows. We solved this by implementing a proxy approach that simplified the authentication process. Another challenge was optimizing storage for larger image analysis results. We addressed this by storing only essential data and implementing pagination for retrieving saved analysis. For the potential improvements, we look forward, if we had more time, we would improve the application in several ways, add more educational content type beyond quizzes, implement a collaborative feature for classrooms, enhance the UI with more interactive elements, add support for analyzing videos.
So now we would say the lessons that we have learned while using this project, while doing this project. So this project taught us valuable lessons about working with Google Cloud Services and APIs, managing authentication flows across multiple services, handling and processing image data efficiency, and deploying containerized applications to Cloud Run, and lastly, structuring data in Firestore for optimal retrieval. So the most challenging aspect was coordinating with the various Google APIs to work together seamlessly. We learned that proper API key management and service account configuration are critical for cloud applications. So, for others attempting similar projects, we recommend starting with a clear architecture diagram, setting up CI CD flow very early, and thoroughly testing API integrations before building features that depend on them. So, this is all about our project. We hope you liked it and you try it as well. Thank you so much.